Corsair has just launched the first RAM sticks with a new LED technology that fits 100 lights in the space where there were only 4 before. Dominator Platinum RGB memory cards, which were first shown at CES last month, are now available. The result is more vivid colors that can be even more customizable than those of previous memory cards. The new and glamorous DDR4 RAM also comes with the possibility of slightly better performance too, according to Corsair. Condensed lights consume less energy, which potentially allows the sticks to work in tighter times. Dominator Platinum RGB sticks come in 2, 4 8-packs with different capacities and frequencies. Sticks go up to 4800 MHz, and that's before overclocking. You can still get other budget bars with comparable performance, but Corsair expects its brand name and the exclusive Capellix LEDs to be convincing enough to justify the slight premium it is charging.